Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change your password for Candy Crush Saga. To change your password on Candy Crush Saga, the process depends on whether you are using a King account or a Facebook account to log in. First of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application and then make sure that you're signed in with King account. Those who are signed in with your King account, you can simply open up your application and then tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Now tap on My Account and then click on Change Your Password on the next page. Now enter your current password for your King account in the text box. Finally, tap the Submit button and then enter the new password you would like to set for your account. Retype the new password once again in the next field. Finally, tap the Change Password button and you will then be able to change your password for Candy Crush Saga. Now for those who have linked their Facebook account with Candy Crush Saga, you will need to go to your Facebook setting and then change your password from the Settings and Privacy section, and you will then be able to change your Facebook account, which will automatically change your Candy Crush Saga's password as well since you are logging in with your Facebook account. So those were some of the methods you can use if you are trying to change your email on Candy Crush Saga, whether you are linked with your King account or Facebook account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.